Asan sila?
Ito sa kiso.
Ay, yung mga ano. Ay, hindi ko alam. Nakikita. Nasa loob sila. Tumatago. What are those?
He's hiding inside the skull. See?
Other from.
Sa labas na lang.
Hey, Gabe, it's moving. Gabe, come here. Yeah, it's crawling. Look. Oh. He wants to go there.
Do his back.
How?
Ito ka
Hey, nabubuhay siya, oh.
They are hiding their face.
Ano yung mga yan? Bakit may mga maliliit? Kinakain niya yan?
Siguro.
Hedgehog!
Ayun pa, meron pa pala doon eh.
Ipis.
Pagkain nila ipis.
They are always,
Hedgehog!
sleeping.
Yung mga pagkain nila yung... Well, mama na lumawi. Pagsabihin mo, Pao.
It's a green snake.
Papagsabihin mo. Oh, di ba nung nagbabasa tayo ng comics? Di ba, Mike? Nagbabasa tayo ng comics.
Yes.
Tapos may green snake, may white snake, no?
The big snake!
Hindi ka takot, Gabe?
It's a cobra.
Oo. Hindi siya takot. No, sabi niya, it's a big snake. Hindi siya takot.
It's a cobra!
No, that's not a cobra.
What's that?
It's a snake, but I don't
There's
know what's
no
that.
poisonous snakes here. Oh, look at that. Sleeping again. It's a sleepy lizard.
Pero kahit din, kung malapit kayo, kaburin na rin.
Talang memo eh.
Ay ba? O tika te metal nun. Bungo yan yung bungo. Bungo na yung ubigan. What is that?
Why is he awake? He should be sleeping.
Howly siya, no?
Because it's mining.
But they're nocturnal. Remember what nocturnal means? What is it?
What is that, Gabe?
He's awake.
Are you awake, Owl?
Yes.
Yes.
She's hunted.
Yes.
It's moving. Ah!
Moving?
Ay, buti pa si Paolo gusto niyang tignan.
Merong animal.
Ano nga ito? Nakabitay. Ayun, di mo pala makikita may mga ganyan. Eh.
Narinig ko na ano ha?
Babae ng mga hippies. Meron silang, ano dito ha? Ano yung sige ng hippies? People pen.
Can you get them?
I will get the cockroach.
Because
There, I got one. Here, I got one. Give me your hand.
Ooh,
Oh.
can you put it on the table?
Oh, it's moving. Huh?
No, that's
I'm your hand.
but don't
I got
move
one.
it.
I got one.
No.
Lalawin ni sarili.
Tingin-tingin din si Gab.
Nothing. Magic.
Your best to me. Sorry,
A cockroach can live almost a month without food. That's why they are nakakainis. Do you want to get one?
I don't like those.
Oh yeah.
Hey, and what will you do to the cockroach?
I will pick it up.
Hey, oh, you will pick it up. Are you not afraid?
Yeah.
Pakalawin mo yan.
Guys, I'm not.
What?
Is it real?
Is it what?